Just done rope drop, come through into the park. Everybody's going off to Pandora. A couple of squirrels. Some biddies. Hoping to maybe get on Everest. There's a rope drop. Squirrel! Entry parking. Bed. Yeah, we're hoping to get on Everest. We have got a lightning lane for it, but we're hoping to do it now. And then we can try to do some other different things. So, just got to wait and see. But we've got a cast member making a stop at Asia. And they'll walk us round. Just went on Everest twice. Literally walked around, went on again. Oof. I now feel sick. My husband wanted to do it again, and there's no way I could cope with it. So, it's a good ride. A little bit jolty. Don't like heights, so don't stress going on that one. I'm not keen on heights, and that got to me, so I did it twice. It's a little bit jolty in places. But yeah, it was alright. We're now going to go and see if we can get onto Dinosaur. It's very quiet in the park at the moment. I think everybody's in Pandora.
There's a raptor. Go get the raptor. Here. Gonna go in? Okay. 70-minute wait.
Hi everyone, just come off the Dinosaur. Oh my gosh. I was sick before, I feel even more sick. Yes. The gentleman, as we get to come off the ride, turned around and said to me, "Do you want to go again?" I went, "No, definitely no." Oh, I think I need to get something to eat and get that sickness feeling going away. So we're going to try and find somewhere to eat, and then I'll get you to have a look and see what we picked for brekkie. This is all the boards going up with them digging. You can see all the cranes and things above it. Sun's now coming out fully. That's cool. So look, the old Indiana Jones. If that's Indiana Jones ride, oh my gosh, that's going to be a bit of a bleh. So, yeah.
What?
I'm going to go and see where I can have something to eat and get this sicky feeling going away. So it's not nice. See you later. I've just done a little pit stop and we saw this beautiful place. Now look, got the old Disney ducks, Disney ducks, Disney ducks. Wandering along. There's a tree. See all the animals on it. It's amazing how they've done all that. It's very quiet here today at the minute. Hardly anyone walking around. Trying to find somewhere to get something to eat. And the sunglasses.
Okay.
Can you open them? We're going to put them on. So quiet. Noises of all the water and the animals. Oh, sorry, there's a go across the floor. That's where the food places are. Go down there, Paul. Tamu's open. Oh, is that where you get the cake? Cool to try. Pineapple crisp sundae. Hello. Oh. Hey everyone, just been to Tamu and we got the, let's turn this around. We got the biscuit which has got sausage and egg in it, in a biscuit. You can see that, so I'm going to give that a try. And then we got the, Mickey cinnamon bun. So going to give that a go, see how we go on that one. So let's do a tester, shall we? Do you want those? It goes on that side. Right, here's the, I can't have egg, so I've just got the sausage and the biscuit. So let's give this a try. This is what it looks like. So,
Crumbly.
It's a bit dry. Sausage don't taste too bad, but not the best. Yeah, the biscuit's very dry. So yeah, we'll finish this off and then I'll test the cinnamon bun. I've got the bit of the cinnamon bun with some of the sauce. Right, let's try this.
Alright.
It's okay. It's very,
Sweet.
not very, it's a little bit, it's not soft.
Well, going to scout.
I suppose can't compare it to the one at
So it is a
Magic
cross.
Kingdom. Yeah,
It's not a bun like Gaston's. It's more of a pastry, I think. This one.
yeah.
It's Gaston's. I don't know. It's more of a.
I mean, yeah, it does. It's. I suppose it's a bit like, you know,
Croissant, I
the
suppose it'd be.
pan raisin.
Yeah, it's like a pan raisin more than a cake.
But yeah, it's okay. It tastes all right.
Messy though, isn't it?
Mm.
That's right.
You all right? Would you like it?
Yeah. That's like a cinnamon croissant kind of.
Yeah, it's definitely like the texture of the pan raisin that you normally buy, but obviously it's cinnamon and it's the Mickey one. So, yes. Put it this way, it's filled a gap and it's stopped making me feel a bit sick, so. That's nice. Just going to have a look at the wait times on here, see what the park's like, because it's now opened fully for everyone to come in.
We've done dinosaur. Everest a couple of times.
I've done Everest twice, Dinosaur once, couldn't do that again. Crikey, that was like chucking me all over the
Yeah, I
place.
know, it's left, right, left. Oh my god. At least I've done it once before it closes.
Ooh,
Go on then, let's hear it. See how busy it is today.
Right, Avatar Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
Guess how long it is?
Normally at this time it's about 55.
You're way off,
Way off.
way off. 105 minutes. 105. That's crazy.
Already? That's because
just
it's a Mickey
crazy.
Not So Scary party. They're a cold coming
You've got
out.
25 on Nava River,
Not bad.
Navi
Yeah.
River. Yeah, 25 minutes for that one.
Oh,
What else we got? Dinosaur 5 minutes.
Everest.
Everest 5 minutes.
Oh, I told you. This side of the park is always busy. The Pandora World. Yeah.
What else we got? That's the the walk. Is it the walk through or is that the safari? No, it's not the safari, is it? Or is it? Yeah, it is. The safari's 10 minutes. The safari is
10 minutes. Oh, mate.
no. The Cali River Rapids is not open till 9.
Oh, okay.
Don't open till 9. Oh, the safari's now gone up to 15.
Since I've been seeing them streaming through.
So yeah. There's a lot of attractions on here that hasn't opened, so I should imagine they open at 9.
Oh, what's that then? It's not open.
I don't know. Like little attractions, the walkthroughs.
Oh, yeah, could
Some
be.
of the walkthroughs with the animals. I think some of them open at 9, don't they? So, see the animals. Yeah. So. Peanut butter and jelly s'more. All these. Delicious. And then we've got the cookies down there. This is what I like. I wanted one of these little trash cans. And that's how much it costs. Get some animal joggers. Now look at the Crocs. Got the tops. Yes. I get your safari hat, Paul. I get you a little apart with a safari hat. These are nice cups. The Animal Kingdom. And then you've got the park bit on the front. How much is that? $20.
Pay for this, or?
No, I don't. Morning.
Snack?
Apple pie.
Do you want to use a snack?
Yes, snack, please.
Chocolate chip cookie. Oh, that's peanut butter chocolate chip.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Just got a drink from Creature Comforts here. And I've gone for my, this is a mango dragon fruit lemonade. So I've just gone for a medium. Oh, that's really nice, that one. I'll try that one. Is it cappuccino, this one?
Yeah. Coffee. Drink top, though, don't go from the bottom.
Hubby went for a caramel crunch, ribbon crunch cappuccino. It's this one. That's right. That's not bad actually, considering I don't like coffee. So, what do you think?
Yeah, that's really nice, that.
Yeah.
These I do like.
You know what? He also is like super aggressive in anything he does. Jonathan?
That's not over coffee this time. What's a coffee? Ain't a coffee, it's coffee.
You'll like coffee by the end of the 21 days.
It's very hard to find anything with chocolate in it, so I only drink tea or hot chocolate, or I like the frappes and things they do with chocolate, but here they seem to have like their coffee more, so I do struggle. But this I recommend, definite get. Been in the shops, done a little bit of shopping. We're going to go and queue up in a minute for the Lion King show. We got that at 11 o'clock show. And so we're going to watch that, and then we're going to go back to the resort to have a bit of a chill, because this evening or this afternoon we've got Mickey Not So Scary Party that we're going to. So we're going to have a sit down, have some dinner, and then go off to Magic Kingdom for the Halloween party. Really looking forward to that one. So So yeah, I think you can get in at it's either 3 or 4 o'clock, but obviously we've got a park ticket, so we can get in a bit earlier. So we're going to get there a little bit earlier and have a walk around, see if there's anything else to do. It's a bit warm today. Not as hot as yesterday though, I don't think.
No, I don't know what it is. But anyway, it's still early.
Don't I say it's hot, we have been coping quite well, haven't we? I just think we need to drink a bit more. I don't think we're drinking enough. I think that's why I feel a bit sickified today. Yeah, so I need to make sure that I keep drinking a bit more. I bought myself a Starbucks. Can you pass me the Starbucks cup? And I got some water. And it's a good one because it's got all the 4 parks on it. And it shows you some other little bits on there. And it's a Starbucks one. And the lid just flips over and then you can drink from it. But because it's insulated, it keeps it nice and cool for you. So that's why I got this one. Thank you. So yeah, I'll sure do a bit of filming if it's not too difficult in the Lion King. And look forward to that one because we didn't get to do that in January, did we? The Lion King, we didn't come and see it, so looking forward to that. Had a few compliments on my outfit today. Had a few about my ears and people walking past and looking at my ears. So yeah, I've had quite a few people comment, and also on my safari bag, little mini buddy, and also the Emporium bag and my t-shirt. Yeah, I've had people like my outfit today. So sitting here in the shade, nice cool breeze coming through. Yeah, it's been a good day apart from feeling a little bit sickified, but I think that's due to me not drinking enough. So if you're out here and it is hot, I just recommend you drink loads, absolute loads.
Greetings, everyone! Kamari! Welcome! We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the festival of the Lion King. Let's go!
We are the humble helper.
Welcome to singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Nakawa,
Which is Swahili for good looking.
and this is Kabibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess,
And finally, so what they?
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? Tell me your name.
Brittany.
Brittany. I believe that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving here any minute now. Animal section, let's see. I'll take the elephants.
I'll take giraffes.
We'll take the lions.
I'll take the warthogs. Brittany! Hello. You're gonna help me tame this warthog section now, won't you? Wonderful.
Glasses, come to me.
All right,
Time for the elephants. We have Gray from South Carolina. He's going to be our leader today. Gray. Arm in the air for the elephant's trunk. And now, let's hear that elephant call. Gray, that's an elephant we will never forget. Stay with me. Our turn. Trumps up. On the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, watch us. We'll make sure you are cued and ready to go.
Hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Right on time. Now on the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
You're all fun to moments here. Be sure and be kissed. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's through? Hello? Hello?
Pumbaa!
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
You're looking good! Love you, Pumbaa!
What are you?
They're here! The mighty pachyderm! Let me hear you! Trumpet triumphant!
It's gonna be King Suicide. Let's see I just can't wait.
Set up. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Oh, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Order. Pumbaa, you ain't seen nothing yet. Direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Brigade. Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Hey, what the? Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
Delicious, let's clear! Be prepared! So prepare for the coup of the century! Be prepared!
rush of day, when the heat of the rolling wood.
And can you feel the love tonight? Well, for once in perfect harmony, with all its living. The circle of life.
From the day you arrive on the heart, too much to take in here. Boys of fire that can never be found.
Come back to Caribbean Beach. Festival Lion King was really good. Enjoyed that. I'll come back now to have something to eat and then go back to the room to get ready for Mickey Not So Scary. But we thought we'll come to Caribbean to have our dinner. It's a bit early, but we thought it's best to eat here and just get a snack or something in Disney Magic Kingdom. I got chicken tenders, hubby got a bacon cheeseburger, and then we got 2 tropical, what were they, tropical coladas? Non-alcoholic, and I'll turn the camera around and show you guys what we got. Obviously it's stuff that we've had before, but so I won't do a taste test. Get this camera to work. There's the drinks, chicken, and your bacon burger. I'll try the drink. Is there a straw? So do the drink, see what it tastes like. Oh, that's really nice. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's really nice. So if you're in Caribbean Beach, get the tropical colada. It's lovely without the alcohol, but if you like alcohol, then obviously you can have it with, but that's nice. So I'm really looking forward to this. In Magic Kingdom, ready for the Halloween Mickey Not So Scary party. Got my little buddy with me. Got my beautiful ears. And just sat here waiting. Here in Magic Kingdom. Ready for the Mickey Not So Scary party. Got my little buddy with me. Just sat here waiting for the merchandise to come out. So, and then we're going to go and do some stuff. A bit busy.
And for the rest of the day, the songs will be stuck in my head.
Where else will they get stuck? We don't have bodies.
Drinking or smoking allowed in the theater.
And you can take all the photos and video you'd like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on Spotlight.
Do we? Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody. Now we're ready to start, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical tambourine, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for 5 bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the 5 Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah.
Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun.
Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of swings. You know, wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I could be haunted about it. What the? Hey, okay, well, that's enough. Wait a minute. Hey, Henry, get the hook. Forget the hook. Get a bear trap. Rufus the cut. Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, yeah?
I will do when I...
Until I become your number one. No medicine, no medicine, no means of the sleep. Gonna break every rule of the tomorrow.
Happy Halloween to trick for your tricks.
In the answer there is a book, and here is the life of a pirate for me. A pirate's life is a wonderful life, you find adventurous men. Oh, a pirate's life is a wonderful life, a roving over the sea. In the answer there is a book, and here is the life of a pirate for me.
Here tonight, in but a few minutes' time.
She's about to be here. Here, I can tell you this.
Good evening, friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
Strange.
return into the living womb. Yes. Don't you understand? We have harnessed the magic found within this kingdom to come back for but one night. One night's time. And we shall make it a grand night full of spellbinding tricks and treats. A night that will long be remembered. What is it, Mary?
I smell children.
Children?
There's so many of them. They're all dressed funny.
You fools! Of course there are! Children, tell me, Dumplings, what is the year? I said, what year is it? Sisters, it has been 32 years since we have last returned.
We're getting better at this.
And it is All Hallows Eve, our favorite time of year.
Winnie,
Yeah.
remember what happened on our last Halloween?
We turned to dust. Dust, 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 dust. Do not remind me. Sorry, Winnie. That is why we have returned. To celebrate Halloween and to throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. But we will need some help.
Oh, Sarah.
I was thinking the same thing, dear sisters. Come, little children, I'll take you away. Here you go, Winnie! Well done, Sister Sarah. I knew I kept you around for a reason. Now, let's get this party started. We will need the spell for the Hocus Pocus party potion. The spell, sisters, send me the spell. What spell? What spell? The spell I ask you to hold on to give to me at a time like this.
We can't find it, Winnie.
Why have I been cursed with such sisters?
Perhaps some chocolate will cheer you up.
Yeah, what is this?
Chocolate, dark chocolate, the only candy I like.
No, this!
It's the spell.
Oh, and what is it doing wrapped around Halloween chocolate?
I don't know.
Now enough, we've lost enough time as it is. Sisters! To the cauldron. And who are you?
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man? Shadow Man?
Y'all are in need of some sinister shadows.
Maybe?
Well, you're in luck because ladies.
Wonderful! My Hocus Pocus party potion is coming together. Thank you, Dr. Facilier.
Oh, I like him.
Focus! Yes. What is the next dust to be ingredient?
Ferris Bears.
Ferris Bears? What is that, some kind of hole?
Wait! There was some chocolate smudged over the words.
Give me that!
Winnie, do we need to hold a calming circle?
I am calm!
Thou art not being honest with thyself. Take my hand, come on.
Helen?
Come in.
Well, well, well. What have we here?
Why, I might ask the same thing of you. Well, what are you?
Why, I'm just little old Oogie Boogie, so. You know, the Shadow on the Moon mission. I'm going to do my stuff.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the best I can. Now that's what I call nefarious nightmares.
What just happened?
Well, you see, I think he scared us and he made our nightmares come true. And then you cried.
Oh, I liked it. Oh, enough. We get it. Thank you, Mr. Oogie. Can we keep him? Fuck it. My Hocus Pocus party potion is working. Quickly, read me the last ingredient. Faithful friends. Faithful friends. Faithful friends. Oh, let me see that.
Oh, goodbye, Will.
Another party to which I wasn't invited.
Magnificent! Oh, grateful! If we thought you'd have come, we would have invited you for sure! We are not worthy!
Maleficent! You know, she's greener than I thought, and those horns...
Silence!
Lore and legend are full of villainous fiends. suppose for such an occasion, I could conjure a few.
I knew we would see eye to eye.
Listen well, all of you. If it is frightful friends that you request, each incantation calls forth a guest. Come now, O Queen, by power and right. Bring poison apples and give us a primer of death and disdain.
Fate's eye!
Come on. Impress us, O pirate, from a faraway land. Strike fear in our hearts with a hook or a hand. Slithering snake with a sorcerer's power to give but not take.
Scarab, it is time to party. But Winnie, what about them? Leave our not-so-scary friends to me. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. Hush. You can't stop the things I do. I lie. Oh, it's been 300 and now